All right, I'm about to start off cooking my favorite dish, at least before I go to work. You know how it be. I gotta eat. I gotta make sure that I'm cooking cheap food throughout the week. We got some good pasta here that we're about to use. First step, fill the bad boy with water, napkins, put this down, and then put a spoon there to stir it all, making sure that it don't stick. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with this, make sure not to burn ourselves. Okay. Oh, jeez. Couple of meals in between, you know, a little bit of vegetables here and there, good cereal, and you know, this is a pretty good meal. We're gonna be waiting on the pasta. So, the sauces that we're gonna be using, since we already technically got the protein in there, and that is doubling up as the carbs, now we just need, you know, extra fats and like stuff that actually makes it taste good. We have classic Alfredo sauce. Very cheap stuff and has zero, if you guys can see that, added sugar. This bad boy right here, which is like ordinary with mushrooms, tomato sauce. And that's just gonna give it a nice little red texture. And then last but not least, we're gonna be adding some smell good stuff in there because we want this stuff to smell good and it's gonna smell good inside of our body. No, I'm joking. We're not gonna put this in there. Or are we? Oh my, wait. Oh! Ew! Dude! What the? I didn't think it was open. All right, so we're gonna wait for that to settle. Let's hope that it don't overflow. And what we're gonna do now is get a cup. What we're gonna do is add some of my favorite, also beloved. Give me a second. Apple juice. It's the kind of apple juice that burns your throat. No, it does not have alcohol in it, but it makes you wanna. Oh wait, hold on, guys. That's sick apple juice. All right, pour a little bit in there. See, you don't need a whole lot. It's king. You know, these sides right here are pretty dang hot. In fact, if I were to just grab it. So, you gotta protect yourself before you continue this next step, which is getting one of these awesome bad boys. The drain, because you don't want to be losing any of your pasta. Oh, poor baby. Oh, son of a. Oh. Okay. All right, so now we got all this good action going on here. Add some of this right here, these little parsley flakes. Add a little bit of pepper. Could have done this at first, but you know, that good old tapatio. In fact, I'm probably gonna run out of this. So later for the moment of resistance. Good stuff. Tomato sauce. Okay, that's a lot of tomato sauce. I'm gonna have this nice, almost reddish texture, but then it's gonna even out very, very well. Okay, and so now we are going to put them in these bowls. Put about 1, 2, yikes, 3, and 4, sometimes 5, and I just climb on into that refrigerator and take them out. Make sure you clean your area, clean your kitchen. So we're about to throw this away, throw that away, throw that away, and including other else, clean this first in the sink, then you are allowed to throw it away, or even at most, recycle it. All right, time for the moment of resistance. Time to try it and make sure that what we cook for ourselves is going to last this entire week. Otherwise, this don't taste good. Tragedy will strike. So, overreact too much. But like always, it's a home run.
That is hammered.
It's a home run, people. It's a home run. Softy, softy. It's a home run. It's a home run. It's a home run. Like, either way, glad for having you guys here, watching me cook, getting to see how I make my food, what exactly I make for the rest of the week, and catch me again on a whole new video series of cooking with, I don't even want to say my name.